Converge ICT Solutions, bagong dividend stock na ba? Recently, nag-announce ng unang dividend si Converge at 0.18 pesos per share payable on October 10, 2024. Also, Converge announced that it has approved and adopted a dividend policy of 25 to 30% of its net income based on the latest audited financial statements. In this video, I will not give my stock review. Pero isi-share ko ang aking thoughts if I may consider Converge sa aking dividend portfolio after its recent dividend declaration. Actually, I traded Converge back in 2021. And despite potential for high double-digit gains, binenta ko na siya nung nag-decide akong mag-shift to long-term dividend investing. Sino ba si Converge? As an overview, Converge ICT is a fixed broadband provider na sumubok makipagsabayan sa mga telco giants na sina PLDT at Globe. At a glance, makikita na tumataas ang kanilang revenues and operating income over the past years, showing profitable operations ng company. In its annual report, they reported that they have increased its residential market share from 17% in December 2019 to 33% as of December 2023 versus PLDT market share of 50% and Globe at 17%. Makikita na growing ang company with potential for further growth. Pero balik tayo sa dividends. Company's target to distribute dividends is by 2025. But their recent declaration of special dividends and affirmation of its dividend policy show na talagang seryoso or committed sila for dividend payouts in the future. Sa kanilang press release, ang kanilang special dividends ay dahil sa magandang performance ng first half of 2024. Kung mag-start na sila mag-declare ng regular dividends, okay ba ito para sa akin? Para malaman ko ang forecast dividend payouts ni Converge, tinignan ko ang forecast summary report from my broker called Financial. I believe meron din forecast summary report ang ibang brokers. Dito sa forecast summary, kunin natin ang forecasted earnings per share or EPS sa 2024. Then, let us take 25% to arrive at forecasted dividend of 0.3075 per share. Then based on the stock price of 16.88, ang dividend yield ay 1.8%. Then same step ang gawin natin at 30% of EPS. The forecasted dividend per share ay 0.3690 with dividend yield of 2.2%. Then gawin natin ang same steps para makuha ang forecasted dividend per share at dividend yield for years 2025 and 2026. At ito ang resulta. Ang dividend yield based on current closing price ay range from 1.8% to 2.5%. Based on Call Financial's fair value estimates of 19.20 pesos, meron siyang potential capital gain of 13.7%. Ayun, okay ba sa akin ito? Personally, no. For me, mukhang maganda si Converge as a company with huge growth potential. Kaso mas gusto ko na mas mataas pa ang dividend yield at potential capital gain. Nung sinubukan kong itaas by 25% ang forecasted earnings, ang dividend yield ay naging from 2.3% to 3.1%. But still, mas gusto ko mas mataas pa. But this is just me. Investing is personal. May kanya-kanyang investing criteria or style ang mga investors. If you are also after dividends, check mo kung okay sa'yo ang ganitong dividend yield. Pero when it comes to long-term and capital gains, baka ibang story na ito considering the growth potential ng business. Actually, kung titignan natin ang chart, may potential gain na 170% kung babalik ito sa kanyang all-time high price. In my investing style, dividends ang primary. Secondary o bonus lang ang capital gain. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Hindi ako guru or expert. As a disclaimer, this is just for information purposes only and not financial advice. Kung ikaw ay nakabili sa all-time low price noong December 2023 or noong early 2024, congrats sa'yo. For sure, you are enjoying a high double-digit capital gains by now. Let me know your thoughts about Converge. O kung meron kang ibang suggestions para sa channel, pakishare mo sa comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.